Okay, family, so we finna go ahead on and get the last Meyer lemon air layer off and get it potted. We've been out here working today, y'all. Working. Let's see what we got. Well, something better than nothing. Nice, beautiful roots. And it's been on for a week or so left. But the temperature changing. So we want to go ahead on and get it potted up. Get a chance to get these wounds to heal. But yep, we repotted the grapefruit in a bigger pot. Grapefruit's almost ready, y'all. Almost ready. They're turning. We put the Page Mandarin in one of the pots we got on clearance. And we put the Satsuma in one of the pots that we got on clearance. The Meyer lemon always been in a bigger pot, so. Key lime, we repotted it. It's not dead. It was getting to be a little root bound, but y'all remember it ended up getting shocked. So that's what happened to all the damn leaves. Okay. Meyer lemon air layer is done went into bloom, but it is doing good. It's getting vigorous, huge. This Meyer lemon is going into bloom as well. And we have tons of new growth down there. So this what is that? Page Mandarin air layer. It ain't dead, but it's doing it thuck thistle. So, and for some reason we got a sweet potato or potato growing. Look like a potato. So let me help out and get right back with you. Alright, family, so we got the last Meyer lemon off the tree and transplanted into its beginner pot. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video. And we will see you lovely people in the next video. Stay blessed.